Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So we'll be doing a devilment twin here. I just doubled up throughout the whole video. And that picture that just popped up will be the steps that I'll be using, which is the before, the highlight, contour, the blending, the shimmer, and the aftermath. So here is just my raw nose, no makeup on it. And for this session, I'll be using the highlighter, which is what I'm using now. And then I will be using the contour and also a little bit of translucent powder. So that is the dark contour that we're using. This is to bring my nostrils in. And the reason that I did the highlighter first is so that I can find the perfect line for my nose to contour. So what I did here is I took the brush, went down my nose, and then started swiping down where my nose spread out at the top, just so that I can bring my nose in and make the highlighted area stick out a little more. And just to give you a heads up, I did put on a little bit of foundation just for the rest of my skin, but that's all I have on is foundation, lip gloss, and I drew my eyebrows on, so no other makeup is on. And yes, I did bring the contour all the way to my eyebrow because it'll allow your nose to stick out more and have a pointy look. Some people start at the teardrop of their eye, but I generally start at the eyebrow and come down all the way to the tip of my nose. This is a blending brush I'm using. Now we're just going to be blending, just blend, blend, blend. Now with this, I went ahead and got a blush brush to help spread out the contour. So with the highlighter, I did use my fingers a lot just to blend. I didn't want to take the shine away, but just to blend it out a little bit. There, I'm also using a blush brush to blend out. And then what I did was, in that contour palette, I did use a lighter brown that was closer to my skin tone to put a line where I would have put in the other contour, but I wanted to go a little lighter with the line. So see, there's not really much to it. My next steps, I think I'm going to be doing some shimmer with a bronzer. So that bronzer is very shimmery. And just get a flare brush and just start swiping where the highlighted area is. And you're gonna do light feathery swipes. See the difference? I froze it there so you guys could see. And there's the translucent powder. So what I did here was just went down where I put the contour. This is to soften the darker look that is underneath the translucent powder. I also will be going under my eyes just to enhance the nose area. If you guys look in the before, if you guys look in the after picture, right in the center here, you'll see that they use translucent powder right under the eyes. So I just wanted to continue with the pattern. I like it. It came out so good. Like, I really like it. This is how I normally do my nose when I do my makeup. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Sometimes people don't show this part of their makeup, and I wanted to show you guys. I also did a small video on it so that you guys don't have to watch the whole minutes, 8 minutes. And if you guys are still here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves. God bless.
Dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. It's a dancehall vibes, yeah.